In today's video, I will show you how to do the first time setup on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. So let's get started. Now first of all, you will see this screen. Now just swipe up and from here just select your language. After you select your language, from here just select your region. After you select your language, now just select the appearance of the icons and the text on the screen. Now, by default, it is on the default option, but you can select medium or large. I will select medium. After you select the preferred text and icon size, then tap on continue. From here, just tap on setup without another device. Now on this screen, just connect your iPhone to your Wi-Fi network, or you can select continue without Wi-Fi. I will connect to my iPhone to the Wi-Fi network. After you enter the password of your Wi-Fi network, then tap on done. From here, just tap on continue. Now from here, just select the range of your age. I will select adult. Now if you want to set up your Face ID, just tap on continue. Otherwise, you can select set up later and you can set it up later from the settings. Now if you want to create a passcode for the lock screen, just select create passcode or you can select do not use passcode. Now if you want to transfer your data from your old smartphone to your new iPhone, you can do it from here. You can select from iCloud Backup, or you can select from another iPhone, from Mac or PC, or from any other Android. And if you do not want to back up any data, you can select do not transfer anything. And from here, you can sign into your Apple account. Now, if you do not have an Apple account, or if you do not want to sign in using your Apple account, just select forgot password or don't have an account. And from here, you can create a new Apple account if you want to create an Apple account, or you can select set up later in settings. Then tap on don't use. Select agree and tap on continue. Tap on continue. Now you can turn on location services if you want to enable the location services on your iPhone, or you can select set up later. Tap on OK. Now if you want to set up your eSIM on your new iPhone, you can do it from here, or you can select set up later. Select skip. Now if you want to enable screen time on your iPhone, you can tap on continue or you can select set up later in settings. Now from here you can share your iPhone's analytics with Apple or you can select do not share. It is up to you. And from here you can select the appearance of your iPhone. You can select light mode, dark mode or auto. I will select light mode. After you select your option, then tap on continue. If you want to set up Apple Intelligence on your iPhone, just tap on set up Apple Intelligence or you can select set up later and you will be able to set up Apple Intelligence later from the settings app. Now from this screen, you will be able to enable the camera control button on your iPhone. So I will enable it. After you do that, then tap on continue. Now if you want to customize the function of the action button of your iPhone, just tap on customize or you can select not now and you will be able to customize it later from the settings app. Now if you want to enable Hey Siri or Siri on your iPhone, just tap on continue or you will be able to set it up later from the settings app. Now from here, just tap on continue, then tap on get started. And as you can see, we have successfully completed the first time setup process of our iPhone. Now if you want to sign into your Apple account, you can go to settings and you can tap on Apple account. And from here, you can select sign in manually or you can select don't have an account and from here you will be able to create your Apple account. Also, if you have skipped any step from the setup process, you can complete the setup process from the settings app. Like you can complete the setup process of Apple Intelligence and Siri from here and you can set up all the other settings from the settings app. And this is how you can do the first time setup of the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.